Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can add multiple photos on Snapchat story. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your particular Snapchat app. Once you have opened up your Snapchat app, this is how the interface gonna look like. And to add multiple photos in your story is actually very easy, but you have to make sure when you go to your profile and go to your story section, you can see multiple stories there. In one story there won't be multiple pictures, there will be multiple stories likewise. So for example, I'm gonna go ahead, go to the section of picture, and I'm gonna choose a camera roll, and I'm gonna choose the picture that I want to share on my story. Right, I'm gonna select the pictures and then tap on this next button at the bottom. Now once you have selected the pictures to go to your story, you have option of my story, which is for friends only, and another stories, which is simply for the public. Right, so what you're going to be doing is you're going to be tapping on my story and tap on this option of my story and tap on send. You can see the sending on top, and now it has been sent. Now go back, and when you go to your profile, go to your stories, you can see the stories has been there, it has been added, and the stories are multiple. That is the only way possible for you to be doing so, and that is basically it. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.